Hey everyone, this is Rupak, and in this video, I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to learn any programming language in 2 weeks or less. In this method, there are a total of 5 steps, and if you follow all of them correctly, I'm sure that in less than 2 weeks, you will have learned a new programming language. Well, I could just say go and watch a 5-hour YouTube video, right? And there's nothing wrong with that, it's a perfectly acceptable option. But what if you want to learn a language that's very new in the market and there aren't any good tutorials out there on YouTube or anywhere else? Well, when React Native came out in 2015, there weren't any good tutorials out there either. So the developers had to teach it to themselves. And in this video, I'll show you how you can teach it to yourself and also learn it quickly. Now, in order to use this method, you need to know at least one programming language or know how a programming language works. And you'll see why in a moment. So the first thing that I like to do is get an overview of the language. Now, what does that mean? So you find out what the language is used for, what type of language is it, which industries is it used in, is it interpreted or is it compiled, which IDE does it use. Basically, find out the details of that language. After that, you simply look up the table of content for that language and find out the things that you know already and the things that you don't. This is why I mentioned before that it's better if you already know a programming language. For example, here is a table of content for Kotlin. And if you're coming from Java, you might already know things like if expressions, booleans, lambdas, and lists. But you might not be familiar with var, eval, and nullable data types. So you can skip the things that you already know and focus on learning the things that you don't know. But how do you learn the things that you don't know? Well, there are 2 ways to do this. The first one is watching a short YouTube video, and this will give you an idea of the basic syntax that is used in that language. Typically, these are under an hour to an hour and a half, and this will be like a revision for your knowledge and also help you learning the new things in that language. The second way is reading the documentation. Now, if you don't know how to read the documentation, I would highly recommend you to learn to do so. If you would like a video about that, let me know in the comments. This will help you especially when you want to browse through the syntax quickly and there aren't any resources available online. Documentation is extremely helpful. It can also help you solve any bugs or errors that you might encounter when you're coding. Now, you can finish the previous 3 steps in less than a day. It should take you around 4 to 5 hours, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, but definitely not more than a day. Now, it's time to solve some questions. You can hop over to sites like AlgoExpert or CodeChef and start with the easiest questions first. If you're not able to solve it, don't be discouraged at all. You can just look up the solutions of people who have solved them and try writing it your own way. That should give you a basic idea. And if you manage to solve it, congrats. You can solve more and more until you're confident that you have a basic understanding of the language. After that is the most fun part of this whole process, working on a project. Now, I can promise you that while working on this project, you'll learn more than you have learned while studying for any standardized test. I know it's a big claim, but just trust me on this. I want you to give around a week for this project, and it doesn't even have to be something complicated. It can be something as simple as building a calculator. But while working on this project, try following good practices like writing clean code and using comments. Now, I can't stress on the importance of comments enough. While you're working on projects that have over thousands of lines of code, comments are going to be your best friend. And working on projects with your friends is also very fun. That is, if you have any.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
If you follow all of these steps correctly without cutting corners anywhere, you should be able to learn any programming language within 14 days. So congrats, you have now added another egg to your basket. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, tell me what sort of projects are you guys working on. If you need any help, you can contact me on my social media or you can email me. So until next time, happy learning.